Using medium-sized lathe today, I guess. An awesome jet lathe that was hardly ever used. Works beautiful. I'm making an insert for a pulley down on the floor. Already drilled a half-inch bore. This is way too big for this little piece of metal, so on I go. Or that one would work too, but okay, let's see. On we go. Good. Be careful. It's called dome steel, actually. So, not good enough. Hard for me to hold this iPad and work a lathe, so I just thought I'd show it off today. And then insert that. I'm redoing a mini lathe to what I like, not what they want. So one I got in 2000 actually worked pretty good. Had a problem with always with the belts with that to make my own system. Oh, that's a short video, I guess.